Hello. So today we're going to talk about evidence of evolution. Evidence has been found to indicate that living things have changed gradually during their natural history. The study of fossils, as well as embryology, biochemistry, and comparative anatomy, provides evidence for evolution. Our objective today is to complete this lab, which will go over homologous, analogous, and vestigial structures. First is homologous structures. Next, you're going to carefully examine the drawings of the bones. You're going to look for similarities among the various animals and watch as color is added to each of the bone groups to help you identify those similarities. All right, so we're going to look at a human, a whale, crocodile, cat, bird, and bat arm structures. All right, so watch as color is added to identify the different bone groups. So first is green. All right, so for the human, whale, crocodile, bird, cat, and bat, you can see the green bone that is colored in is the same bone and in the same place in each of the arms. Second is purple. All right, so I colored in purple to show this other bone that is in the same place in the structure of the arm. And lastly is blue to show that this third bone is in the same place structurally as the human. So if you compare the human to the whale, the blue, green, and purple bones are in the same structure, same order, same alignment, but they're sized differently. Same with the crocodile, the cat, the bird, and the bat. So, what is the function of the animal's arms from the previous slide? So you're going to be thinking about what does that animal's arm do? We'll start with the human. What does our human arm do? What do we do with our human arm? Don't specifically think of the hand. Think of the arm. What does our arm do? Next is whale. What do whales do with their flippers or their arms? Next is crocodile. Think of the crocodile's front arms. What do they do with their front arms? What is the function of it? Next is the cat. What do cats do with their front arms? Not their back legs, their front arms. What do they do with those? Not their paws, their arms. Think of a bird wing. What do birds do with their wings? And then lastly, think of a bat wing. What do bats do with their wings? What is the function of their wing? Overall, a homologous structure is defined as a structure that has a similar physical structure. All right, so the bones that we colored and looked at all were in the same about area. Even though they're different sizes, they have the same structure, and they're used for different things, as you just identified in the last slide. I want you to explain why the homologous structures of the bones are evidence of evolutionary relationships. Next, we're on to analogous structures. You're going to examine the bird wing and the butterfly wing and answer what is their similar function. How are they similar in function? And then how are they different in structure? What about the bird wing structure and the butterfly wing structure is different? Overall, the definition of an analogous structure is structures that have different structures but have a similar function.